Islander.
Islander.
Islander, C-130. Ako, I was in a Queen Air.
Yeah.
Halos lahat ma'am ng island dito napunta niyo, pati Kuyo, di ba?
I must have gone already to all the towns except Kalayaan.
Wala ka ba ba doon?
Kagensin yung
Nagbistito
nagbike
mo,
na
no?
nagbutor din.
Diba? Nagkagulungan doon. Congress. Ito yung baseline nyo. Kalaya. Bantay mo yun ha. Diyan, baka may isa nga dyan ha.
Last year lang namin yung pinundan.
Ma'am, mahaba daw yung El Nino ngayon kaya nakakatulong din yun sa tourism.
Alin?
Yung El Nino.
Bakit?
Init.
Because it's not
Maraming
raining.
sa mga beach gusto
Yes,
ng mga
yes.
pumunta.
And also the construction. The
Tuloy-tuloy.
construction is more more
Can be done
rapid,
faster.
more continuous. So I think you had a briefing on El Nino, no? So what we have to take care of are the farmers.
Opo, kanina sa DA po nagpaliwanag sa amin.
That's the most important thing to take care of, because as far as the food is concerned, the rice, our import program is already going to cover that. So it's really the farmers' incomes. And I think you've been told that we're going to release 1 billion pesos from the Calamity Fund, mainly for the affected farmers' families.
Yung pinakabago po doon, may fuel subsidy po para sa mga farmers.
That's really after the El Nino. That's why I asked when Bernie Pandevilla to be the one to meet today, because how they will spend that 1 billion, they have to prioritize among the different agencies or in the task force. Basically, the two main users of would be the one for the farmers and the one for the drinking water. Ed, ano ito? Hindi pa ito tapos.
Tulay na naman. Yung highway ma'am.
Another detour.
Pero yung bridge ma'am, dinadaan namin niya lang yan eh.
Okay.
Takot na siya dahil mabigat. Akala nila mabigat ito.
Hindi mabigat ito eh.
Oo, magaan lang ito.
Well, anyway, the media is from Puerto Princesa, so they know the regular route. This is for my benefit, I'm inspecting.
Parang maglagay ka doon ng pondo.
Tulay yun.
Parang maglagay ka doon ng pondo.
Siguro, baka
Sinadya ni Mayor yun lang.
Hindi, alam naman natin may tulay.
Maganda naman yung tulay. Maganda naman yung tulay.
i-reinforce pa nga yan ng highway eh. Para lang kay ma'am.
Is owners there is the period between 6 to 8. Yun, kanila yun. Kasi hindi pa nagdadatingan yung mga tourists from the city. Yun yung travel time nila.
Yung yacht owners.
No. The guests of this tourist, of this resort, ang binigay sa kanila is the period between 6 o'clock in the morning up to 8 o'clock. Yun ang binibigay sa kanilang time. Doon ang guest nila pinapapasok. Dahil yung 6 to 8 na yan, that's the travel time from people from the city coming over. So at least bakante yun, binigay sa kanila. Yun ang kanilang privilege.
May basket kanina, 6 to 8.
6 to 8 para sa resort. Because, coming from the city, it will take you 1 hour. So you leave the city 6:30, you'll be here by 8. So, yung mga naka-reserve sa city, 8 o'clock sila nagsisimula pumasok. Kung dyan ka nakatira, you get the time between 6 to 8. Yun yung inyong nakita mo yung look at that.
Oh, ito sa El Nino.
And also China.
Oh, Huilin. Very, of course, I found it so awesome. I'm a cave visitor. I've been to many caves, so I really found it interesting. And I love it. I love the way that guides can expand your imagination, so that you can remember the different shapes because of what they represent. It's really a question. If you're good for an avid cave visitor, you really have to expand your imagination and imagine the different images, and that's really great. But and then of course I'm very happy that not only am I able to visit that, but where I feel very gratified that we were able to invest in this road so that more people can see that.
Pinakita rin sa inyo si Sharon Stone.
Sharon?
Hindi.
Sharon Stone?
Ang mga pinakita yung mga Blessed Virgin, yung Candle, yung Holy Family, yung Three Kings, yung castles, yung dinosaur, yung mais, yung vegetables, yung mushroom.
Meron ng gano'n?
Yes.
Saka yung giraffe.
You should have done that.
I've been there twice. But I did not hear about that mais that bago lang yan ah. Bago lang yan.
Eh ma'am, nakita niyo rin yung LRT.
LRT.
May LRT doon ma'am, di ba?
Yan ang delikado sa cave eh. Pag madilim yung nag-ano yung iyong imagination.
No, but really, that's the way to appreciate a cave visit. You have to, your imagination must really expand. Otherwise, you would not remember the shapes.
Nagdadala dyan yung nagpapadel eh. Sa kwentuhan eh.
Oh.
2003, because if we want to preserve, we have to preserve the beauty of the environment of the country by having sustainable tourism. You can both create jobs and protect the environment. They're not contradictory, and the subterranean cave is an example. Look at the jobs it has given, look at the income it's provided. At the same time, you're keeping it pristine. It's 8 kilometers long, but the tourists only go a kilometer and a half, and it's already such a terrific experience because we want to keep that forever.
May na-interview pa ako dyan na, na matanda. Nangunguha tayo siya ng pagkain ng baboy sa mga restaurant. Napatapos niya yung mga elementary na bata.
Oo.
Tuwan-tuwa siya na, lalo na ngayon, sabi niya, ang dami talagang kumakain ang dahil pupunta. Bilang trabaho niya, magawa lang ng pagkain ng baboy.
Kanin baboy eh.
Karong baboy lang.
No, that's why tourism is really, they call that a tent, a big tent, a big tent employer. Kasi it covers all kinds of skills. Yeah, from the cooking simple food to the most sophisticated chef. Iba-iba ang income levels, pati from the dishwasher to the very skilled tourist guide who can tell you beautiful stories.
For every tourist that comes in, there's a benefit to at least 7 or 8 people in the community.
Ma'am, karami ng tourist guide natin dyan, graduate ng TESDA.
Well, that is what, the roads cannot be undone by the next administration unless they go out of the way to destroy it, which is not logical for them to do. But the allocation for scholarships, that is something that we don't know if that will be
That will be
sustained.
continued or not. Right?
But this road should be here. But we have to invest both in human and physical capital.
Yung local media po, naging scholar din po ninyo sa pag-create ng website, ng manipulation ng photos, saka sa publisher.
Great.
Thank you po ma'am dun sa
Great.
lahat ng press club.
Lahat ng press club members ay naging scholar, di ba?